Hello chess lovers, I have a very impressive game for you played by Vladimir Kramnik against Viswanathan Anand. This game was played at 2007 World Blitz Cup. Kramnik had white pieces and he started with knight f3, knight f6 by Anand, c4, English opening c6, knight c3, d5, c takes d5, c takes d5, d4, knight c6, Bishop f4, a6, preventing any possible knight b5 moves. That's why we see a6, rook c1, bishop f5, e3, rook c8, bishop e2, e6, white castles kingside, bishop e7 and queen b3, targeting the pawn on b7, knight a5, queen a4 check, knight c6, and a beautiful tactical shot by Kramnik, bishop takes a6. The idea is that if b takes a6, then knight e5, intensifying the pin, and if queen b6, then knight e2, opening up the rook's path. If queen b5, then after the exchange of queens, white is winning back the sacrificed piece and white is a pawn up. That's why after bishop a6, Anand played rook a8, pinning the bishop, and now you can pause the video and try to find Kramnik's next move. Ready? He played bishop takes b7 and sacrificed his queen on a4. Did you find this move? Actually, this wasn't a novelty. In that same year, this move had been seen in a game of Chinese chess grandmaster Zhang Pengyang. Not sure, but probably Kramnik knew about it. Anand accepted the queen sacrifice and bishop takes c6, forking the king and the rook, king f8, and knight takes a4. Now if we have a look at the position, white got a rook, a piece, and two pawns against the queen, and also taking into consideration the fact that black king is misplaced on f8 square, white has a pretty good compensation. Knight e4, bishop b7 with a threat of rook c8, knight d6 covering the c8 square, but white is simply capturing on d6, removing the defender. Queen takes d6 and rook c6. Looks like that black queen is in trouble. Queen d7, we see rook c8 check, bishop d8, knight e5, and Anand resigned. Well, if queen e7, then knight c6 is winning. There is too much pressure, or if queen takes b7, then simply rook takes d8, and then white is also winning the rook, it's over. This is going to be an easy win for white. That's why after knight e5, Anand resigned. A very beautiful tactical shot, I think. Thanks for watching, and for more games just hit the subscribe button. Good luck.